Two projectors can both say 1080p on the box and look like completely different products on your wall. One you forget is even a projector, and one you're boxing up to return within a week. The thing that decides which one you end up with is something almost nobody checks before they buy. So I'll show you exactly what it is, and the projector under 150 that gets it right. Here's the catch with 1080p. A lot of projectors that advertise it don't actually have a 1080p panel. They accept a 1080p signal and then display it at something lower. So the first thing to check is that word native. Native 1080p is real sharpness. Anything else is just a number on a box. But sharpness on paper is only half of it. The feature that quietly makes or breaks the whole experience is focus. On cheaper projectors, you sharpen the picture yourself, twisting a little wheel by hand, squinting to find the exact point where text stops looking fuzzy. And the second you nudge the projector, you're doing it all again. A good one focuses itself automatically the instant you set it down, and redoes it every time you move it. That single feature is the difference between a thing you fiddle with and a thing you just use. The one under 150 that has both real native 1080p and automatic focus is the Simplify Tech Cine X 1080p. Picture the first night with it. It's small enough to fit in your palm and live on a nightstand. You point it at the ceiling and it does the work. It straightens the picture, it sharpens it, and your phone is mirrored above your bed in about 10 seconds with no cable. Netflix, YouTube, and Prime are already inside it. The sound has real bass, enough to fill a bedroom on its own. You lie back, and there's a crisp 120-inch film on your ceiling, coming out of something the size of a coffee mug. And there's a specific moment, a few minutes in, where you stop noticing the picture and just fall into the movie. That moment is the entire reason to spend a little more than the bottom of the barrel. Who shouldn't get this? If what you actually want is a permanent living room screen, you can blast with the lights on all day. A projector at this price will frustrate you. Go buy a TV and be happy. This is for the bedroom, the dark, the wind down at the end of the day. So the honest condition, it's made for evenings and dim rooms. Curtains drawn, a lamp on low, or lights off. It's sharp and rich. Full midday sun through open blinds will fade it, the way it fades every projector. And while the built-in speaker genuinely fills a room for 1 or 2 people, if you're throwing a movie night for a group, pair a Bluetooth speaker. It connects instantly. If you've got around $150 and you want the projector that actually feels like a screen instead of a gadget, native 1080p focuses and levels itself, streams on its own, fits in your bag. This is the one I'd send you to. It's the Simplify Tech Cine X 1080p at simplifytech.shop. Links in the description. Free worldwide shipping, a 6-month warranty, and a no questions asked return if it's not what you saw here. So trying it costs you nothing but the click. Subscribe if this helped you decide.